wonderful people, my great people. Now well done. I welcome you to another episode of Swam Yourself. We don't carry another better come today, and today we want to learn how to cut and sew this fine kimono blouse, kimono with there for our screen. So if we're not ready, make we start. The first thing we're gonna need to do now to outline the basic measurements we need. So for this pattern, we need the across back measurement, and the across back measurement we no go take them like we did take the full side. So now the half now we go take this time around. Okay, so what I mean be say, assuming say this now the across back, this now the full back measurement. So instead of taking the across back or the shoulder measurement straight from one collar shoulder point to the next shoulder point, so we go take from the middle, that is from where your neck bone stay. From there you go take one side. So instead of taking from here, from this point to this point for the shoulder, you go only take from the middle of your neck points to where your arm dey. So see the diagram for the screen. So you go take to where your arm dey and where you want to make the blouse stop. So I hope so now understand that. So for this particular pattern now, from the neck point, so from the neck point to the arm na 15 inches. So we'll just use our chalk, take mark am. So just mark your 15 inches here. Then we will mark the neck point, that is the neckline. We will use 3 inches by 3 inches, or if you use 3.5. So make we mark them here like this, 3.5 inches. So 3.5 inches wide for the neck point, then 3.5 inches or 1 inch for the back. That is for the back neckline. So I will just mark 1.5 here, so that when we sew them, it will come back to 1 inch. So I will just connect the curve like so. So pardon the chalk say not too show for this pattern. So just mark them like this. So the next thing we will come do now, from this neck point to this point now will come be 12 inches. So now see am. So from this 12 inches, I will come down by, instead of coming down by the regular 1 inch, I'll just come down by 2 inches. So now 2 inches, I want to make this thing fall. So from these 2 inches, I will connect them to this neck point here. If you come down by 2.5 inches, if you come down by 2 inches, so it all depends on you, on how you want to make your own fall. So just connect them like this. So the next thing we will come do now, we will come from this shoulder, this point, we will come mark the vertical measurement. So the shoulder to the bust point now 10 inches. So I will just mark them. That is the bust line. Then the shoulder to the waist. So the shoulder to the waist now 16 inches. So I will mark them here too. So I go mark them for this side, so that I go get straight line to rule my curve. So here, then here. The next thing I go do now, I will connect the points together. Okay, so the next thing we want to do now, we want to insert the horizontal measurement. So we don't already mark the shoulder points. So from that shoulder point to this armhole, you will determine how wide way you want to make the opening day for your own. So from here now, I will just insert the bust measurement. So the bust measurement now 36 divided by 4, 9 inches. So I will just add 2 inches to to that 9 inches for ease. So this 2 inches I go use half inch, so I'm then half inch now for the free, because this top go dey free. Then here the waist na 8 inches, that is 32 divided by 4, 8, so plus 2 inches, 10. So I will just connect them like this. So you see, so I will just connect them like this. So how you want to make your own opening day? So for this place to this place now, to this point now 10 inches. So now so the falling go dey. So the next thing we will go do now, we'll just connect them this place now to the length of the top. So if you want to make your length the same thing with the waist, you dey free, but from the waist I'll just remove 1 inch. So instead of 10 inch for the down, I will just make 9 inch for the opening. So from there I will just connect them with my free hand like this. So you see, the next thing we will go do now, we will come cut this we will cut the back, then we will come use and take cut the front part. So make we cut now, because we dey cut the back and the front together. Okay, so we don't cut the side. So you see, so now here now we will just sew from here, because now free. So we'll just go join this side from here, we'll join them reach here, then we'll go join the shoulders together. So we'll join this shoulder from here. So make I open the front now, so that I go fit cut out the front part. Alright my people, we don't cut the side, we don't cut the blouse finish. So the next thing where I come do, I come go my machine, go join the shoulder together. So I don't join the 2 shoulders together. Make I open them for this side, I be put pin for the neck so that I go see them. So I don't join the shoulders, and I don't also join the sides. So now see them. See say the kimono top, it makes sense. So I not come open the middle part again, I just change my mind, make I just form like normal regular blouse. So what I go do be say, because say the neck too high, because say the neckline too high, and I only 3.5 inches I put here, so that it go fit pass the head well, I go reshape this neckline, make I make them 4 inches, so that it no go dey difficult to pass through the hair. So I go shape this neckline. The next thing after I shape them, I'll come use bias take turn the neckline. I go turn the neckline, then I go turn the sleeves too. So see the round sleeve, I will go turn them, then I go hem the bottom part. So make I go do it now, I go come iron them, I go show now. Alright my people, we don't go join the size, we don't pipe the sleeve, I don't also pipe the neck, see am. So we don't pipe the neckline, and I don't fold the hemline. So now everything, and see the blouse, make I go put them for the mannequin now, and I don't iron them flat. So make I go put them for the mannequin and now see the final outcome. So if this video was helpful, I beg don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.